Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing fries from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw a curve across. And then angle it down and in on both sides. And then another curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with two small ovals for the eyes. And then let's color them both in black. Now on top of the right eye, let's draw a small curve. Now top underneath and let's draw a curve across on an angle for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start with two angles down near the bottom. And then thicken them up slightly. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands with circles. And color them both in black. Next, underneath, let's draw two lines down for the legs. And let's thicken both of these lines up as well. Now from the bottom, let's draw a line out, and then a curve on top. And color both of the feet in black. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the fries. Let's start in the center and let's draw an angle up and over to the left. And then another taller one next to it. Now for the top, let's bring it over and angle it down. Now for the next fry, let's draw another angle up from the center and over to the right. Then let's bring it over and down, stopping here. Now underneath, let's draw a shorter fry. Let's start with an angle underneath. And then bring it down from both ends. Now on the right, let's draw another short fry by bringing it up and a longer line over on the right. Now let's close off the top with a bent line, like this. Now let's hop over and let's draw a few more fries on the left. On the top left, let's angle it up, and then bring it down, stopping here. Now let's add another fry underneath. Let's draw a line across, and then angle it down on both ends. And that's it for the fries. Now let's add the back of the container. From both ends, let's curve it up and in. And then let's continue it behind the fries. And then a curve in between at the top. And that's it for fries. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!